Hello, and thanks for joining WIFR on our website live stream. Every afternoon moving forward, we will let you know what we are working on throughout the day. We will try to get on our social media pages as well as our WIFR app at around 1 in the afternoon. One of our top stories today, health experts across the country have revealed a shortage of pharmacists over the past few years, specifically in rural parts of the U.S. The University of Illinois Chicago's Retzke College of Pharmacy receives a more than $850,000 grant Wednesday from the McKesson Foundation, supporting rural-focused interventions to develop and train pharmacy professionals to serve rural populations. WIFR's Sydney Stoffregan speaks to health professionals at U of I College of Medicine Rockford and OSF Healthcare about the pharmacy shortage and how this grant will help create the next wave of pharmacy professionals. Respiratory illness levels in southern Wisconsin and northern Illinois are high, and UW Health reports a spike in flu hospitalizations. In early December, there were no patients hospitalized for the flu, but by the week of January 19th, there were 40, the highest number of flu-related hospitalizations at UW Health in the last 3 years. UW Health says it's not too late to get vaccinated from the flu, RSV, and COVID.
Usually a respiratory virus season does last several weeks, and we haven't really reached the peak as far as we can tell for influenza yet. So we expected several more weeks. I think that vaccine is another tool to try to prevent these illnesses for the ones that we have vaccines.
Nearly 24 teams pick up their chisels and get to work carving their visions for the 39th annual Illinois Snow Sculpting Competition. 12 state and 11 area high school teams began Wednesday on their 10-foot-tall, 6-foot-wide sculptures, which need to be finished by 10 a.m. Saturday. Voting for the People's Choice Award opens immediately after the finish time and closes 2 hours later at noon. Sculptures can be viewed from sunrise to sunset by walking or driving through Sinisippi Park. You can find a link to vote for your favorite sculptures on our website.
It's been going great. Like I said, it's a little challenging because of the ice and because of the freezing. It makes it harder to cut through, so it's been a little challenging, but compared to last year when the weather was so warm and it was melting, this is much better.
Those stories will be in our shows tonight at 10. To get the latest news both in the state line and across the country, head to your smartphone's app store and type WIFR into the search bar. While you're there, you can also download our WIFR First Alert weather app for updates as soon as they come across our meteorologist radar. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you coming up tonight at 10.